Let's talk about a near protocol because now all Twitter talk about, wow, near finally pump it. Like it's something special. All targets, guys, showed it before. And now, of course, people start sharing this type of news. This is like a main reason where that one. CEO Bitwise shared this one about staking. Bitwise near staking, 7 million inflows into the Bitwise near staking for European investor for so far this week, and 40 million already staked. More detail you can double check on Bitwise website if you'd like to know more and read this big list about the details of this staking, rewards, and all of this stuff, guys. But you know, that news, it just always people start talking after the fact, after the coin pump it. It's the same story like a Bit listing announcement. After that, this pump, and people like, wow, surprise, wow, it's time to buy. All targets, all levels, guys, I showed it on the chart before. You know, usually the news is just a catalyst and it's just a marketing part of the game, which usually people start paying attention after the fact. So we come back to the main chart. You can go and double check all main videos, even since Zone 20 here, Zone 22, Zone 23. We work with this block. 27 zone, I showed you. It was the zone of interest for the near, for the spot position, and still this is the best zone to buy, to accumulate a near protocol. We track this FIB since Zone 21. In Zone 22, here we tested, drop it inside this block, bounce it to new high. Why I count like this as a first level? Because I count the top from March Zone 21. Support, drop when not tied 27 block, and after that, skyrocket almost to 3.61 level FIB, almost $21, $20.56. And after that, I'm back again inside that block. Pump, consolidation. This is a daily time frame. Let me show it on the weekly. So all levels, guys, absolutely relevant. And I mark my zone of interest. So it was here. You know, so everything absolutely relevant. So congrats everybody who bought a near. I'm not open my futures position. This one, I'm waited to drop. That's why I don't think so. We will come back for the futures position here. But the spot, I'm more than happy with that. And we broke the structure on a weekly. On a daily. I would like to show you now more on the charts. Take a look at the metrics now. The holders. We are now at all-time high of near protocol holders. It's good. It's usually good, right? Well, it's for the distance good. It's because of staking. You know, the more people stake, the near the less coins in circular supply. It's so obvious, right? That's why it's put the price higher. So the less coins in circular supply, the less seller pressure. So it's easy to pump token. All right. We can scroll it down. So the near daily active users still low numbers. Not like even in March. I don't know what happened in March. Maybe the Bitwise run the staking. Near chain transaction, not that big one. That's why it's not a free, like a mind-blowing time to out of the near protocol. Near price still low. Near market cap still low if we compare with the highest point of December 24. Near fees low, but near revenue, take a look. The spike. Finally, the near started generating revenue. It's good. That's why, guys, always highly recommend you don't skip the videos and work with indicator set to determine the main zones. The main zones here. I show. Let's hide. I would like to show to the people the level. So the next step for the near 347, 425, 489 at 0.5 level by FIB. Take a look how till penny we tested 18 level by FIB. If this summer we'll go into correction. So this can be the potential drop, this one, or even inside the accumulation zone again and form like a global double bottom with a target after that over than 0.5 level by FIB. Absolutely everything pretty simple for the near. Let's hide the FIB and track the indicator data. So every single time when we trade on the fundamental value, this is the last line of take profit indicator. I highly recommend you all the time. Pay attention for the tokens and accumulate step by step if you believe in this project. So near was one of them. Now, take profit line for near, it's 384 on the weekly time frame. This is it. Daily, of course, we broke the structure. this high what I showed you even in recent videos, and we trade over the exit line. So what time frame to use, right? Depends of your strategy. Weekly time frame we use mostly take profit indicator for the spot position. Daily we can trade like position trades, some swing trades. So breakout structure, confirm it. Buy line, if we will see the retest, it can be at this current moment 90 cents. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the 90 cents. That's why we can go to the next liquidity pool is over than 318. Correction is more than good to see, especially before the summer, right? So here, 12 time frame, drop, test the buy line, go higher. Daily, same story, drop, test fundamental value line, buy line test, go higher. So obvious to buy. Monthly time frame, unfortunately, still no data. If we zoom out to the monthly time frame and double check smart money concept indicator, highly recommended also to use. This is a target now, for now. So I'll be not surprised if, I don't know, by end of the May or maybe this summer, we can close the 421 or at least 390. So this is a one and only monthly gap. Weekly, of course, here, the same story and about this one. Like you can see, the confirmation of a weekly break of structure was here, but I count this one, both. For me, this is a more legit because it was the last impulse, bounce, you know, but indicator count, like this is a both. Anyway, in both cases, we broke the structure. So we are now in an uptrend structure. Direction can be even from, for example, this move, not break this high, and going down to this summer, I don't know, to $1.21. So zones, guys, absolutely relevant. The question, what to do now? Guys, always up to you. My zone of interest, I share it every single time in video and nothing changed. You know, if for example, what I do, if I miss the entry, I skip the coin. Pretty simple, guys. So there's a lot of coins to buy, to speculate, accumulate. Now a lot of altcoins underwater. That's why pay attention which one is on the fundamental value price, for example. Trade on. What I don't like, still don't like on NIR. We didn't see the signal take profit, you know, because now a lot of hype around this bitwise staking, but the big guys also can lose the money and can be in fear. So imagine the smell if this summer, for example, by end of the May, we pump it to the $4, a lot of people buying, stake it, and after that, the price crash it down 45%, for example. It's going to be the panic sales. And only after that, in the autumn, we can go into the main direction. That's why one reason what I don't like we didn't see the signal take profit from the sale. So this is it on the weekly. Daily, of course, we saw it, but on the daily, we saw also the buy, take profit, sell, a little bit drop. Now still no signal to sell again. Also, the bullish catalyst, of course, this is a horizontal line. This one like liquidity pool. We can cut all noise on a line chart. You can find it. Stop losses, a lot of stop losses over than 330. ADZ direction. Still no signals to sell on daily. It's good. Some warning on direction indicator. How that warning is playing out before, it's just a warning. It's still not signal to sell. Here, we got a lot of signals to sell. From, it was the November 24, from 356, we pump it to 830. And it was a warnings and sell. And we was at the top. That's why for now on the daily, yes, it can be the same story like this one. And here is going to be the top, sell signals. So still in an uptrend. So this is an uptrend trend now. Weekly, I showed you, we saw underrated and we trade long-term period in accumulation zone, right? And here's how it played out before. Accumulation, pump, drop, divergency, FTX collapse, and skyrocket. Now we don't see any FTX, right? But any single moment, something can happen in the world. That's why all this period was accumulation since December, and the pump was in April. April 13, this one, this week. So nobody pay attention. And now, only now, the people start screaming. I highly recommend to add alert to the test of the top, where to out. Also interesting to check the money inflow, money outflow. This one here, money accumulation was like 1, 2, 3, and the 4. 4 weeks, and not in a row, but 4 weeks was accumulation while everybody's selling. Now, we almost at the top, and I'm waiting the money outflow. So pretty simple. Let's add alert to the money outflow. After that, maybe we'll see some direction. Yes, money outflow on a weekly. Daily, here. The last money inflow was here. Beginning of the May. Pump, buy, money inflow, pump, take profit, sell, and here's the money outflow. But we can see the continuation, for example, and it's a rejection here. And after that, direction this summer. That's why, guys, plan absolutely still the same. I'm not touch the near spot position. The targets for me personally way higher for the spot. But if you bought, for example, exactly at the bottom here, it's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit even in the spot. My futures position also showed. Guys, write please in the comment what you think about a near. If you would like to trade with my customer request I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Montecom channel. See you next time, guys.